my little sign. I was going to put this on the refrigerator door, but the refrigerator door is black. And the lettering on this thing is black, and it obviously wouldn't have shown up. But here's, it says whine a little, laugh. And down there you probably can't see, it says a lot. I just stuck it on the mirror. Anyway, don't know what it is. New batteries. Anywho, so just checking all the connections and making sure everything is charging the way it's supposed to be. And I guess that's it. I'll be back. Good morning. It's Saturday. I don't know the date. Anyway, the power controller came, got installed. So there it is. It's in there sideways. They said that would be okay as long as the fan was either left or right or up and down. Anyway, so it's all in. This over here will stay open, which will be good for ventilation. And we're going to put another vent like this in the front of this panel here, just so that the Power Max gets enough air to keep it cool. It does have a fan that cools it, but yeah, that's what we're doing. And beyond that, there's not a lot going on. Basically just waiting to get this installed so that I can go on up and visit my mother-in-law in Redmond, Oregon. So hopefully all the testing and confirming that this thing works right will be done today, and I'll take off tomorrow and head to Redmond. That's pretty much about it. Hi! So the converter for the high-low showed up yesterday. Got it installed, checked it, make sure all the volts, meters, I don't know what I mean. Anyway, it's all working just fine. Batteries are charging to where they're supposed to be, with all the numbers where they're supposed to be. And now I'm on my way to Redmond, Oregon. Gonna see my mother-in-law. Special shout out, thanks to Troy of Double Amputee RV TV, and to Bob and Kathy Light for helping and being such good friends. Really appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Anyway, I am headed up this road and gonna go see my mother-in-law. For some reason I can't get this thing to work to record the drive. But when I get there, I will get busy editing because I haven't done any in a long time. So, I'll be back. Bye, guys.